Hello, my name is Kartik. We are discussing an experiment, and the name of the experiment is Smoke Detector and Sprinkler using Cisco Packet Tracer. For this, we need a server, access point, and smoke detector, sprinkler, and some vehicle which produces the smoke. Here we can choose the server and access point, sprinkler, smoke detector, and these are the vehicles. And these are the vehicles. Give the names as you want. I am giving this as the registration server, registration server, sprinkler, smoke. Then can I give the connection to give the connection to access point and sprinkler. Right click on this access point, config port 1, change the SSID name from default to Cisco. Same right click on the sprinkler, config. Here you can see wireless. Change the SSID name home gateway to Cisco. Same as smoke detector also, wireless home gateway to Cisco. Now you can see that these both are connected virtually. Now connect the server and access point to wires. Connected. Connected. Next, now we can assign IP address to each device. Right click on the server, desktop, IP configuration. Give the IP address as 1.0.0.1. Close it. Same as sprinkler also. Wireless. Static one. IP address is 1.0.0.2. Subnet mask is automatic. Close it. Give IP address to smoke detector also. Wireless. Static 1.0.0.3. Subnet mask is automatic. Close it. Now convert the server to registration server. Click on the services. Here you can see IoT registration server. It is off. Now we are on it. Registration server is on. Close it. Once you open the browser, right click on the server, desktop. Here you can see web browser. Open the browser. Here it is showing URL, means server IP address of the server. Give the IP address of the server 1.2.1. Go. Here you need to create an account. I am giving the username as admin and password is also admin. You can give as you want. Now it is logged into your account. Close it. Connect the sprinkler and smoke detector to server. Here right click on this sprinkler, go to settings. Here you can see IoT server. Choose the remote server. Server address as 1.0.0.1. Username as admin, and this password is also admin. Connect. Now it is connected. Same as smoke detector also. Settings, IoT server, remote server 1.0.0.1, admin, connect. It is connected now. Now once again open your web browser, logged into your account. Admin. Here you can see both devices are ready to perform. Now give the conditions. Add whenever the smoke is on, smoke level greater than or equal to 0.4. Then set sprinkler status true. Then add another condition also. Whenever the smoke is off, smoke level less than 0.1, so less than, sorry, 0.2, then get sprinkler status false. Okay, then close it. On the smoke, press the alt button on your keyboard, click on the cars. Now the smoke is on. Open your browser. 1.0.0.1. Here you can see the sprinkler is on. Here you can see the level. The level of the smoke is 0.7. Now we can decrease the level. See, the sprinkler is off. It is now 0.4. See, the level of the smoke is less than 0.2. The sprinkler is off. Thank you.